Right, here's something I'm seeing from some of the newer writers on TikTok, and that's not making your letters similar sizes, and it makes stuff makes it look a bit funky. If you look at any of the pieces that I've done recently, all the letters occupy the same amount of space on the page. I mean, there are exceptions, you know, the H pulls out there and the A goes a bit that way, but broadly speaking, the main crux of the letter occupies the same space. Look, that A is the same width as the R, is the same width as the C, it's the same width as the main part of the H. And that's important because otherwise it all can look a bit weird. The Z's the same width as the E's, the same width as the T's, the same width as the A. So look, if you're practicing, you get your black book. I'm not suggesting you get a ruler out. It doesn't have to be exact, but I don't know, let's say your tag is plum, and say you want to fill that much space, divide that into 4. It's only paint, it's only pencil, you're only practicing, it's not going to be that way forever. And then start drawing in your letter shapes. Now that was super quick just so that you can see the spacing. But the point is that you can still read that, it still makes sense. If you wrote plum like this, that looks a bit odd, doesn't it? And probably not that good. It's not the kind of thing you want to put out there. If you wrote it like this, it doesn't make any sense. So look, if you're practicing, and again, it doesn't have to be exact. Don't get a ruler out. But say I'm going to write plum on here. I want to leave myself a bit of space at either side, and then roughly in half, roughly in half, roughly in half. Now that's for 4 letters, obviously. If it's 3, you know, just eyeball it, use your pencil to get a rough measurement, use a finger, use your thumb, whatever. But letter sizing is super important. Obviously, like I say, there are times when you're going to break these rules, but you can't break the rules if you don't know what they are.